today's video, isi-share ko sa inyo yung trip namin to Hiroshima, which happened last year. And isi-share ko sa inyo yung mga top things to do, tourist spots and attractions na dapat hindi nyo kalimutan na isama sa itinerary nyo kapag nagpunta kayo doon. So recently, nag-check ako ng mga old photos and videos sa cellphone ko, and nakita ko na meron pa pala akong mga videos ng Hiroshima na hindi ko pa nadi-delete or nata-transfer dun sa laptop ko. So I decided na gawa na lang ng YouTube video para ma-share ko naman sa inyo yung mga videos na na-take ko during our trip. So this trip happened October last year. So 15 days kami nasa Japan noon. So from Manila we started the trip from Manila to Fukuoka, and then nag-bullet train kami to Hiroshima, and then to Osaka, Kyoto, and then to Tokyo. So from Tokyo bumalik kami to Manila. Damn! So kung bago lang kayo dito sa channel ko, sana you could consider subscribing para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang videos. Yun lang. So let me share to you my top things to do, tourist spots and attractions, plus sample itinerary in Hiroshima, Japan. Enjoy! Atomic bomb dome. Known as the Ground Zero, it is the only structure left standing near the hypocenter where the first atomic bomb exploded during World War II. What you can see here is the skeleton of a building that remained from the Industrial Promotion Hall, which was destroyed during the devastating nuclear attack that happened on August 6, 1945. Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park. Located at the center of Hiroshima, the Peace Memorial Park is dedicated to the city where the first nuclear attack happened during the World War II and to the victims of the tragic event. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it has numerous monuments and facilities and a place filled with people's prayer for lasting world peace. Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum. Located near the Peace Memorial Park, the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum is a place where many Japanese and people from around the world go to reflect on the tragic atomic bombing that happened in Hiroshima. Let's watch this simulation video of what happened on August 6, 1945. Touring the museum is quite harrowing and saddening, as the museum displays and explores the pain and the tragic moment that happened during the war. But I highly recommend visiting this museum because it's quite informative as well as inspirational and should be part of your Hiroshima itinerary. Hiroshima Castle. Hiroshima has a huge castle complex originally built in the 1590s and was the home of the feudal lord of the Hiroshima Han. The castle was destroyed by the atomic bombing in 1945 and was later restored in 1958. A must-visit is the main keep, which is 5 stories tall and serves as a museum detailing the history of Hiroshima Castle, the culture of Japanese samurai families, and other Japanese castles in general. Okonomimura. Okonomimura is a building filled with restaurants that specialize on Hiroshima-style okonomiyaki. This is a convenient place to take a break and grab a bite while exploring the city. It's a favorite place for locals and tourists to enjoy this region's specialty dish. HONDORI Shopping Arcade. Considered as the biggest shopping street in downtown Hiroshima, this is the best place to shop and to eat when exploring the city. Miyajima Island Day Trip. Miyajima is among Japan's top 3 scenic sites noted by scholar Hayashi in 1643. A short ferry ride from the mainland, Miyajima is a sacred island and is one of the most visited destinations in Hiroshima Prefecture. In Japanese, Miyajima means Shrine Island. Officially named as Tsukushima, this tiny island along Hiroshima Bay is known for its huge floating torii gate, ancient temples, shrines, museums, and many more. Shukkeen Garden. One of the must-visit gardens in Hiroshima, Shukkeen Garden is located in the heart of the city, near Hiroshima Castle and adjacent the Hiroshima Prefectural Art Museum. Considered as the oldest Japanese garden in Hiroshima, it has a long history dating back to 1620. Visiting this garden, you can enjoy many sights and a huge pond at the middle of the garden that makes a pleasant escape from the city atmosphere. If you wish to visit Hiroshima, I highly recommend that you spend at least 3 days in the city to fully enjoy what it has to offer. But if you have more time, you can even spend more days and visit other destinations nearby. With this, let me share to you my 3 days and 2 nights Hiroshima itinerary. For the full details nung travel guide ko sa Hiroshima, kung saan din nalagay ko rin doon yung mga iba pang information about Hiroshima, such as how to get there, where to stay, yung mga hotels na pwede nyo i-consider, and yung best time to visit, as well as yung mga some travel tips and advices na I could give you when traveling to Hiroshima. Please don't forget to check the link on the description below para makita nyo yung Hiroshima travel guide na ginawa ko. So if you have any questions, suggestions, comments, please don't forget to leave a comment below para masagot ko yung mga tanong nyo. Thank you very much and happy travels!